Hello everyone, I'm Mark Luis M. Gregorio, that's with a capital MLMG. I'm from ABM 11.1 and I am here to talk about the lesson 1.3 in HBM, also known as Organization and Management, which is all about the manager. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So first, what is a manager? From the root word itself, manage, which means to control, to guide for the best, to lead. So we are going to connect all of that. For me, a manager is a person that controls situation and lead or guide his or her coworkers for the best possible outcome of their work. So according to the lesson, there are 7 types of manager. One is the problem-solving manager. From the word problem-solving, you can easily guess that this kind of manager focuses in solving the problem of the company. The second is a presumptuous manager. This is a manager who is self-centered and doesn't cooperate with their co-workers. The third one is the pontificating manager. One thing I learned that this is a irresponsible manager that does not have any plans and doesn't know how to handle situations. The fourth one is the perfect manager. From the word perfect, he's just open and does his or her best for the growth of the company. The fifth one is the pitchfork manager. A pitchfork manager could be a positive or negative kind of manager, for it uses threats to apply discipline so the workers will do their job precisely. The sixth one is the passive one. This kind of manager has a healthy and good relationship with his or her co-workers for the growth of the company. And last but certainly not the least, a proactive manager. That is a kind of manager that possesses all the good qualities of a manager. So, were you able to differentiate the types of manager? Okay, then let's proceed. So lastly, we are going to talk about management skills. As a manager, he or she must possess skills that makes him or her unique and credible for the position that he or she applied for. So first, conceptual skills. These skills has the ability to analyze and solve different problems. The second one is human skills. These skills requires a lot of charisma because these skills is all about the appeal of the manager to the customer, so they can persuade them to buy their product, services, etc. And the last one is the technical skills. This requires a high competitiveness to overcome their competition. So, that's the end of my presentation. I hope you learned something and please have a good day. Goodbye!